Let's convert another binary number to decimal. Let's look at 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The first thing to do when converting from binary to decimal is to remember the column values. This column's value is 1. This is 2. This is 4. What comes next? 8 comes next. Then 16, 32. What comes next? 64. And then 128. What you're doing is you're doubling as you proceed. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And then this is a simple matter of addition. We're adding every column that has a 1 in it. We're therefore adding 128 plus 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. And this equals 181.